I have a feeling not too many people stayed out in the sun today because it was just so hot.
Yeah.
You really wanted to go inside.
One of our coworkers said she went to go float the Comal, Ryan, and it wasn't as big of a crowd as she was maybe expecting over the holiday weekend.
I'm sure some people saw the forecast and were like, I don't know if I want to go out and endure that heat because it's just so hot. I mean, it's one of the hottest Memorial Day weekends in history, and today we hit a high of 102, just shy of the record set back in 1989 of 103. So it's very hot and almost record-breaking hot, and we're going to see the same thing happen tomorrow and for Memorial Day as well. So let's talk about the forecast and what to expect over the next couple days. It's not till Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week when things start to relax a little bit. But we trade off the summer-like heat with the small chance of a few storms moving in as early as Monday night and Tuesday evening. Mainly after about 4 p.m. is when some of these storms could go strong and severe, producing hail and some gusty winds. But of course, the heat, those temperatures, is what you're focused in on. It's very hot. I mean, normal high this time of year is in the upper 80s. We're not even to summer yet. That starts around June 20th, June 21st next month. So it's going to be hot until at least the middle of next week when temperatures start to trend down closer to normal for this time in May. Okay, out at San Antonio International, it is mostly quiet. 102 again, the high today. There's the record on this day in history back in 1989, 103. So we did not break a record today, but it was the first triple-digit day of the year of 2024. So that's something to rave about. Average high is 89 to near 90, so we were well above average for, again, May and even this time of year. Mid to upper 80s across the Bexar County region, 89 at Hondo, 87 at Calaveras Lake, 89 at Lackland Air Force Base. Putting more counties on the map, it's still in the triple digits out west. Like Del Rio, they're at 100 degrees right now, 91 at Carrizo Springs, and about 81 in Victoria, 83 at Gonzales, and 86 here in the city. Tag on the humidity. It's warmer than that, and that's how it is going to be for the next couple of days as humidity just continues to pour in from the Gulf of Mexico. Now take a look at radar. Very active across the northern part of, let's say, Dallas and Fort Worth, where it's very active. You can see as we start to zoom into Dallas and Fort Worth, some of those storms are going severe just north of DFW. Notice that there are a couple of severe warnings and flood advisories for that part of Texas and southern Oklahoma. That's far removed from here. What we're watching very closely, at least for the next couple hours, is out west. There were a couple of storms out near Del Rio, Eagle Pass, that did try to strengthen, but the thing is when you lose daytime heat, you lose the strength of the day, and these storms just can't really ignite as fast, and they just rain out. And you'll see across Val Verde County a couple of isolated downpours. But again, it wasn't much action, and they should start to rain out by about, let's say, 10:45 tonight. San Antonio remains clear for the next couple hours. Okay, high pressure in full control. You can see across Mexico and deep South Texas. Notice across that part of the region where high pressure is the strongest, it stays south. It doesn't fully emerge into Texas. That's good news. That'll keep the heat at bay for a little bit. It's still going to be hot in the middle 90s, but it also allows room for these disturbances to move through. So tomorrow morning, cloudy skies, maybe a sprinkle through the morning. That's about it. High temperatures way above average, near 100 to 101 tomorrow. Tag on humidity. It's going to feel hotter than that. Be safe, drink plenty of water, and find shade when you can. By Monday night, though, that's when we could see a better chance at scattered storms moving in. Some of those could be severe, producing hail and gusty winds. We'll keep you up to date here at Kids 5. All right, 7-day forecast tomorrow, 101, 102 for Memorial Day. Be safe, drink plenty of water, stay hydrated. This is an abnormal, unseasonal weather pattern, at least in place through about Tuesday. 96 to 95 Wednesday and Thursday. Those are those evening to late night rain chances that could produce isolated storms, mainly after 5 p.m. Otherwise, summer-like weather, highs in the 90s through next weekend.